What's up, you guys? I hope you like this low lighting moment we're having. I feel like we're at like a sleepover and I'm just whispering to you. I have some really exciting life updates to share, and I wanted to do that now. So you may have pieced together from a few of my other videos, I was learning Japanese. I've kind of put that on hold for the moment. And I was planning on moving to Japan for the majority of the pandemic. My game plan was to teach English, but I experienced a curveball recently in my life. Essentially, I got rejected from all of the English teaching jobs that I applied to. And after all that, I decided I have to let this go entirely. You know, I just have to release. That, I want to say that that was really hard, but of course, once you let go, it's the easiest thing in the world, if that makes sense. Everything leading up to the moment of letting go, though, is very, very difficult. Because, you know, that was my plan. But my spiritual lessons and books have taught me that the best things in life happen outside of your plans. As much as we try as humans to grasp tightly on things, we can never have full control because the universe is at play at all times in every aspect of our lives. Long story short, I gave it some thought, some very brief thought, factored in the fact that I don't have a car right now. And factoring that in, I thought, okay, where can I go that sounds interesting, that has a really good public transportation system in the US? And as you know, that's not many cities in the US. That's not our strong suit. But Chicago came up. You know where this is going. I pretty hastily decided on it. Boom, I'm moving to Chicago, that's it. And I started apartment hunting online. Like within 4 days of me starting the search, I had signed a lease. Yeah, baby. I could not be more excited for this adventure. Do I have a job lined up? No, no I don't. Do I know anyone there? No, I don't. Have I ever been there? Once again, no I haven't. This is really exciting for me because this will be the first place I've ever lived on my own place. No roommates, nobody. This will be the first place I've moved to on my own that's outside of California. This will be my first time living in the Midwest. This will be my first time living somewhere where it snows. A lot of really cool changes. So I'm super excited to vlog a lot of it. A lot of the move, all of the move, as much as I can. And then vlog a ton of my exploration once I'm in the city, just doing what I do, you know, finding all the vegan spots. I'm gonna have to go shopping for winter clothes because I don't have any. Doing all the touristy stuff. I want to take an architecture boat tour on the Chicago River through downtown. I want to go to all the museums. I want to go to all the cute coffee shops. They have the biggest Starbucks in the world there. I'm just listing the things I'm aware of through YouTube, thanks to other people's vlogs, but like I said, I've never been, and there's so much that I get to explore and discover for the first time on my own, and I'm just so ready for it. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along for that. That's it for this video, guys. Like I said, I will keep you posted, and I'll see you soon for the next video.